The Adiabatix insulation module system for exhaust ducts and pipes. Adiabatix is designed for insulating marine engine or other exhaust ducts or pipework subject to high temperatures. It is also capable of enduring high levels of vibration. An Adiabatix installation meets the SOLAS and ATEX requirements. A module insulation system means a longer life cycle for insulation. There is no need for mechanical personnel or special tools to install, remove, or reinstall in case of maintenance. The benefits with the Adiabatix insulation module system are, for example, a durable construction that ensures a long life for the protective casing, a system that can be installed by one person quickly and easily, a system that endures vibration, a system that prevents flammable liquids from spraying onto hot surfaces, thus allowing more time to react to potential hazards. A system that meets the requirements of SOLAS, ATEX certificates, etc. More safety, reliability, and ease of maintenance with the Adiabatix insulation module system.